Imagine a time when kingdoms rose and fell, and one king's journey reshaped empire and hearts alike. Join us on an extraordinary expedition through the life of Ashoka, a ruler whose tale transcends mere conquests to encompass profound transformation and enduring legacy. In the ancient annals of India, the Maurya dynasty stood tall, and within its lineage emerged Ashoka, destined for greatness. Born into privilege yet tempered by the trials of leadership, Ashoka's path to kingship was not just a succession of titles but a rigorous test of character and capability. Through astute political maneuvering, strategic alliances, and the deft management of a vast empire, Ashoka ascended to the throne, heralding an era of Mauryan supremacy. The Kalinga War stands as a monumental chapter in Ashoka's reign, a clash that shook empire and defined legacies. Fueled by ambition and the thirst for conquest, Ashoka's armies clashed with over 100,000 warriors from Kalinga, a force known for its fierce determination and strategic prowess. Picture the battlefield, where the clash of over 400 war elephants and the thunder of thousands of soldiers echoed through the valleys. Each skirmish was a test of wills, with Kalinga's warriors displaying unmatched valor and resilience against Ashoka's relentless advance. The battleground, spanning over 50 square kilometers, was painted with the hues of bravery and sacrifice, where every step forward came at a harrowing cost. As the war raged on for over 4 years, the stakes grew higher, and the struggle intensified. Key battles, such as the Siege of Tosuli and the Battle of Dhuli Hills, became turning points, where fortunes shifted like the winds of fate. Yet amidst the chaos and carnage, a deeper narrative unfolded, the clash not just of armies but of ideologies. Kalinga's defiance, with over 150,000 casualties, mirrored a spirit unbroken, a testament to the human will against overwhelming odds. When the dust settled and victory was claimed, it came at a heavy price. The once thriving lands of Kalinga, with over 100,000 homes destroyed, lay in ruins, a stark reminder of the brutality of conflict. Ashoka, standing amidst the aftermath of his conquest, confronted a sobering truth: the cost of ambition measured in lives shattered and dreams extinguished. It was in the silence of the battlefield, amidst the cries of the wounded and the mourning of the fallen, that Ashoka's transformation began. The Kalinga War, with its brutal revelations and haunting echoes, would shape not just the course of an empire but the soul of a king. Haunted by the specter of Kalinga's devastation, Ashoka embarked on a profound journey of introspection and redemption. Amidst the tranquil realms of meditation and spiritual exploration, Ashoka underwent a metamorphosis that transcended the boundaries of kingship. Embracing the teachings of Buddhism, he found solace in principles of compassion, tolerance, and ethical governance. This period of personal enlightenment marked a pivotal shift in Ashoka's reign. No longer content with mere conquests, he sought to govern with empathy and fairness, enshrining his newfound principles in edicts that echoed across his realm. Ashoka's transformation from a warrior king to a compassionate ruler stands as a testament to the human capacity for growth and change. Ashoka's legacy reverberated far beyond the confines of his empire. His edicts, inscribed on pillars and rock surfaces, preached messages of social harmony, religious tolerance, and environmental stewardship. His patronage of Buddhism not only elevated the status of the faith but also fostered a culture of moral responsibility and introspection. The impact of Ashoka's reign extended to realms of art, architecture, and governance. His grand constructions, such as the Ashoka pillars and the magnificent Sanchi Stupa, stand as enduring testaments to his vision and legacy. The Mauryan Empire, under Ashoka's enlightened rule, became a beacon of cultural exchange, intellectual flourishing, and social progress. As we traverse the vivid tapestry of Ashoka's life, we encounter not just a king but a visionary whose journey resonates across centuries. From the heights of power to the depths of compassion, Ashoka's saga encapsulates the timeless quest for meaning, justice, and human flourishing. His story serves as a reminder that true greatness lies not in conquests alone but in the transformative power of empathy, introspection, and ethical leadership. Join us in celebrating the enduring legacy of Ashoka, a king whose footsteps echo through the corridors of history, inspiring generations to strive for a world guided by compassion and wisdom. Don't forget to subscribe for more immersive historical explorations and insightful narratives. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of the past and illuminate the path to a brighter future.